Hi, my name is Esteban Martinez, and today I want to talk about an exciting new change that's recently come out on Google search ads. In particular, their expanded text ads. Now, as many of you know, Google is a great way for brands to increase awareness, engagement, as well as sales and revenue. And one of the best ways of doing that is Google's expanded text ads. And the recent change has now seen that instead of having just 2 headlines, we now have 3, as well as the descriptions have gone from 1 to now having 2. In addition to that, the character limit has also increased. It's been up from 80 to 90. So what does this mean? It now means we have got more available characters to have more compelling messages in the search results, as well as to maximise our engagement, to get more people to click through to our site, open more opportunities to new customers, as well as to increase sales. So let's jump into the dashboard and we'll see exactly how we can do that. Okay, so once we navigate into the dashboard, we're going to jump into our ad section, and here just simply click on your text ads option, and this will take us through so we can either create a brand new ad or we can edit our existing text ads we have running in our account. Now here you can notice the green icons highlighting the new features, and this is shown up under the headlines 3 as well as description 2, and here you can see that expanded character limit of 90 characters there. So this allows us to now add our additional messaging that's really going to captivate our audience in the search results, stand out from our competitors, and really allow us to maximize the number of clicks and new customers through to our site so we can maximize sales through Google Ads. Be mindful that with your description 2, this can show differently on different devices, so it's a good idea to have a look at that preview tool there on the right hand side so you can see how it will appear on desktops and mobile phones. So once you're happy with that, click save and then you'll be good to go. So my name is Esteban. If you've got any questions about Google Ads or how your search ads are performing, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and check out my next video on more Google Ads tips. Thanks.